In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the condenser fan motor shroud in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new condenser fan motor shroud, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. With access to the back of the fridge, use a 1/4-inch nut driver or flat blade screwdriver to remove the 9 screws on the back cover. Now, slide the power cord out of the retainer slot. Then, pull the back cover away from the fridge. Be careful as the water line is routed through a slot in the bottom right corner. The condenser fan is located here. Now, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove this screw. Then, pull the bottom of the shroud towards the rear of the fridge to release it from these retaining tabs. Next, tilt the top to the left and out to remove. Be careful as it's still connected by a wire. Now, carefully and firmly grasp the fan blade and pull it off the motor shaft. This may be difficult. This step is optional, but we found it easier with the blade removed. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove these 2 screws with a 5/16" nut driver and separate the motor from the shroud. When shopping for a new condenser fan motor shroud, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the fan motor, align it to the shroud with the electrical connector pointing towards the wire retaining notch in the shroud and reinstall the 2 screws. Now, align the electrical connector and push until it snaps back in place. To install the fan blade, face the flat side towards the motor, align and firmly press in place. Then, with the blade on the left and rubber seal to the top and front of the fridge, tilt the assembly in at an angle, straighten out, align the bottom retaining tabs, ensure the wire is in the retaining slot, push towards the front of the fridge to lock in place, and reinstall the screw. To install the back cover, first, insert the power cord into the retainer slot. Then, route the water line through the slot in the bottom right corner. Now, align the cover and reinstall the screws. Make sure to install the screw through the water retainer line. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.